How to simplify this math problem without a calculator? We have the square root of 27 plus square root of 32 divided by square root of 18. So we can express the square root of 27 as a square root of, this is the same thing as 9 times 3. If we say 9 times 3, this is the same thing as 27. Then plus square root of 32. This can be expressed as 16 times 2. Then divided by square root of 18, which we can express as 9 times 2. So square root of 9 times 3, this is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a times square root of b. So applying this property, then here, this can be expressed as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 3 plus here we have the square root of 16 times 2. Applying this property, we'll have here square root of 16 times square root of 2. Then divided by square root of 9 times 2, which is the square root of 9 times square root of 2 by applying this property. So if it is the first time you watch videos from this channel, please like this video and subscribe. Now, the next step here, the square root of 9, this is the same thing as 3, multiplied by square root of 3, plus the square root of 16, this is 4, multiplied by square root of 2. All this divided by square root of 9, which is 3, multiplied by square root of 2. So the next step from here, let's rationalize, okay? Let's rationalize the denominator. Let's rationalize the denominator, okay? So that is, we multiply the denominator by 3 square root of 2. So here we multiply the denominator by 3 square root of 2 and the numerator by 3 square root of 2. So we'll have 3 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by 3 square root of 2 multiplied by 3 square root of 2, and also the numerator here we multiply by 3 square root of 2. So the next step here, we'll have 3 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 2. So 3 times 3, this is 9, multiplied by, now we have square root of 3 times square root of 2. This is to mean if you have square root of a times square root of b, this can also be expressed as square root of a times b. You combine a and b here. So we'll have 9 square root of, this is 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Then divided, this is plus 4 times 3, this is the same thing as 12. And then square root of 2 times square root of 2, this is square root of 4. Divided by, this is 3 times 3, which is 9, multiplied by square root of 2 times square root of 2, this is square root of 4. So here we have 9 square root of 6 plus, now we have 12 times square root of 4, this is the same thing as 2. Then divided by 9 times square root of 4, this is the same thing as 2. Now, the next step here, we have 9 square root of 6 plus, this is 12 times 2, this is 24, divided by 9 times 2, which is equal to 18. So, now the next step here, we can factor out, we have 9 here and you have 24 here. So, we can factor out actually 3. So we'll have 3 into the bracket here. We'll have 3 square root of 6 plus, now 24 can be expressed as, if you say 8 times 3, this is the same thing as 24. If you say 3 times 3, this is the same thing as 9, square root of 6. Then divided by 18. So let's simplify here. By 3, 1, by 3, 6. So here we have 3 square root of 6 plus 8 divided by 6. And this is the solution to this problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.